Hello my lovely dongsangs, your K-pop Noona here. It is about 3 in the morning where I am. SM just released EXO's Wolf and Bee, and I had decided to go to sleep, but I couldn't because I was too excited, so I'm just going to be doing a reaction to this video. I'm watching the Korean version, which I guess I should be watching the Chinese version because I tend to prefer EXO-M over EXO-K, but whatever. Let's see. I've been waiting. We've all been waiting for their comeback for a long time, so high expectations. No. That's cool. Oh. Oh. This is... Oh. Oh my goodness. I do not like those cornrows. I like a lot of the styling so far. These, like, their outfits are cool. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Whoa. Kai. Right now it's looking like Kai has the styling I'm not gonna like. But everybody else seems okay. But, ugh, those cornrows are killing me. I like the song though. The song sounds really cool. Ooh, I like that. That was nice. Ooh. This is cool. It reminds me, like, the transitioning and the dancing. It really does make EXO seem like the new generation Super Junior. Because that's the feel I'm getting here. Is like a Super Junior type feel, that it's like a younger Super Junior feel. But it's nice. I like it. I like the mix of like hard choreography with like softer, more artistic choreography. That was a nice move. That was nice. Just dancing. Like, whoa. This dancing is whoa, whoa, whoa. What? Whoa, that was cool. Is that it? Oh. Well, okay, I like this better than some of their other, like, I like the song more than I like Mama definitely more, but definitely less than I like What Is Love. The whole style of the video really, like I said, it reminded me of Super Junior a lot. But, you know, EXO kind of is like that new generation of Super Junior. So I understand that. And, I like the choreography. And almost all of the styling was okay or really good, nice. Like the white outfits they had at the beginning were really great. Jungkook's cornrows, his hair, do not like at all. Not even a little bit. Not even like a tiny bit. I don't like it. But everybody else, their stylings were okay. There was a lot of, you know how SM is. They have crazy hair. But I figure they'll tone down like the rainbow hair and junk. But really the choreography is like it's still in my head. And it's so nice. Like, SM has such nice choreography. I'm like really amazed by it. And this is so different from like their debut tracks. Like, this is different from History and Mama. It's way different, and I don't know if I think it fits them more, but I like that they're trying kind of a different direction, like a harder direction. I think it's cool. There's not much I can say. It wasn't super exciting. It was the standard SM dancing on cool sets kind of video. I wish it would be different, but you know, that's just SM. It was nice seeing all of their cute faces though, and I'm going to go to bed. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Did you like the video? Did you not like the video? Do you like the song? Do you not like the song? I'm so tired, guys. You can make requests. Look at me up on Facebook at your Kpop Noona. Subscribe and all that jazz. And I'm going to bed. I'll see you guys later. Annyeong.